Hi everyone, welcome to my mom's kitchen. The reason why I'm the one who's talking is because my mom doesn't know how to make this recipe, which is actually the first time she doesn't know how to make this recipe. So that's why, come.
Okay. Hi everyone. So meet my youngest chef in the house. So today he is teaching me some recipe. So
It's a really popular
and it's
recipe.
no cooking recipe basically, and very popular and healthy also. So what I need to do, you let me know.
Okay, so so I'll just give you guys some information. Today we're going to be making guacamole. It's a really popular dish in Western
What is
country.
guacamole?
Oh, it's basically avocado paste and tomato chips, and then you
Okay.
dip
So
it.
what I need to do?
First, cut the avocado.
Okay. Okay. So this one like this.
Make sure you remove the.
Okay. So this is the way. See, it is very risky. So please, all the children need to.
Have a parent.
Yes.
By the way, we have this fork because we're gonna mash it.
Ah.
Yeah, we're gonna mash it.
Okay.
Here's some facts about avocados. Did you know that the most expensive avocado is over $100?
Wow.
It's super duper long. And also, did you know that the smallest avocado whose skin is actually edible?
Okay. So have to.
Okay. You need to make sure that there are no solid parts, or else the entire thing will get ruined.
So do we need to do use blender or no?
No, it just needs to be this much only.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so it's not like a liquidy substance. Or else that would be really weird.
Hmm.
Well, unless you have an avocado smoothie.
Okay.
Did you know that an emo egg is so much more bigger than an ostrich egg? Why are quail eggs so small?
Sure.
I think she accidentally forgot some salt. But it's okay. Shell. Avocado.
So how much salt?
Okay, I'll tell you when to stop. Okay.
Some more?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
Now we need to mix it up.
Hmm.
Wait, first mix it up.
Okay, mix it up.
Yeah.
Okay. It's fine.
Yep.
Okay. And what I need to do?
Okay, now stop mashing. Now we need to do this. Wait.
Okay.
In alphabetical order. So first,
Okay.
chili flakes. 1, 2, 3. Okay, chop.
Okay.
Okay, now mix. Or else it'll look like. Okay, now put the oregano.
Okay.
Sorry if I pronounce it wrongly. All of the seasonings, just mix it after you put all of them.
This one.
Yep, basil.
Tell me how much.
Okay, now stop. Oh, it's parsley?
Hmm.
Oh, then parsley. But basil is also optional, but we're not using it, or else it will be too excessive.
Okay.
And it will be too mild or strong.
Okay.
Now we have a little plate. This.
Just to transfer. That's easy. Come here.
Now we are transferring it to a newer.
It will look little nicer, okay, for a channel. Otherwise, in general, you can eat just like that. But shall we try?
Yeah.
Wait. Wait. Come.
Mm,
Hmm.
it's really good.
Arjun,
Simple.
Bhaiya can't come into the frame. He's so tall.
It's okay.
Camera.
That's nice.
Okay. Oh, wow. Amazing. But